Bitcoin dominance keep going. So let's see what happens with the swings here now. Now we got a new high. Look there, 1.27 comes in right at the $100,000 levels. So that's definitely a big level to watch. And look at this last directional swing, the one after the break, 1.618, $110,000. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today it is Thursday, 21 November 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the US dollar, the Aussie and the CAD, and short on the New Zealand, the pound and the euro. Look at the dollar index, strong bounce yesterday. I've deleted my lateral support level coming in here because the market has been cutting through it and up. It's pretty much ignoring it, so I'm leaving these two. I get the feeling that the market wants to rise above that level and even keep continuing, hitting that 1.618 and beyond. Or it wants to make a double top and then a sell-off. I would prefer that we can have a retracement relieving this overbought scenario, because we will see the market starts to trend weaker, the moves will be smaller, the volatility will be smaller, and we need volatility to make money. So I would like a decent retracement so that traders can get back into the dollar. Unless it changes direction, then we will follow that. But for now, I get the feeling we want to break up, test that 1.618 fib. I would love that. And then maybe a double top and a nice decent retracement back to the moving average. That'll give us enough US shorts to trade in the process and then turn bullish again yet on after it hit the support levels. However, we need to take out the support level before we can get excited about anything, then this level, then the moving average. So there's quite a few levels down the page, and I'm not saying in any language that it will come back. All I said was that I feel that we're going to see some resistance there and some sideways range or reversal. So I'm not saying it will reverse, definitely not. Don't go and be dollar short. I'm not dollar short. If you look at my intraday indicator, I stay dollar long. That's it. That's what I trade. I trade my 4-hour indicators here. It tells me which currency I should take in which direction. I will stay dollar long as long this thing tells me to go dollar long. Gold retracing very nicely back to the 61% level. We are just a few dollars, $20 or $30 away from that. I guess $25 away from the 61% level. If you are in trouble on any gold longs, that's the area to consider. Either lightening up, exiting, or watch the market closely there. This might be your last chance to get out of dollar longs, which is up there. Any reversal from there, definitely. So if you're in trouble on any gold longs after this big sell-off, that's the area to look for to get out of those trades. There's going to be a lot of resistance coming in there. It's 2700. It's a fib retracement. The trend is being bearish. The dollar is strong. Everything points to gold needs to come down. Maybe another leg down the page. At least we're not at 38% anymore. So any move down the page will not most likely be aggressive, but we're at 50% now. So resistance should come in here, definitely. I can't see a problem with that. A resistance could come in there at 2670, and then obviously 2685, and then the round level, 2700, right at the 61% level. This area, big level, absolutely big level. This is the coup de grace. This will decide if gold's going to go up or come down. If it cuts through, you can always re-enter your longs once the trend change. But be aware of this level. This could be like a dead cat bounce. However, this is one of the most smoothest moves we got on the bull side of gold in a very long time. It's just white candle after white candle after white candle. So yeah. Right, so nothing new I will do on gold except for looking for shorts there, which I in person don't do. Bitcoin now hitting my first target at the 97 levels, 97,600. That's the level I showed you. One of the levels, I covered that last week. I set 3 targets here, 97, 104 and 110. That's the 3 targets to lighten up. Now I started to lighten up there. I shifted mine into USD Tether. It's just a good holding. It's the dollar. We in South Africa, we have to convert to rand, and constantly it's much cheaper converting it into USD Tether. So I loaded my target in USD Tether, not converting it into rand. However, that's just a little bit of a close, taking off a little bit of my position, very, very small. Next stop after this one, the round level, 100,000. Obviously, I should actually put that in because 100,000 is definitely a level. That's a lot of talk about the $100,000 levels. So I'm taking a little bit here, little bit there, little bit there, little bit there. Between the 3-4 exits, between 5 and 10%, nothing more of your Bitcoin holdings. Maximum 10% when it gets up there in total. So between 5 and 10%, that should be it. Nothing more than that. All right. So now we will see if we can cut through to 100. I think the 100,000 will be like a magnet. I can't see why not. There's a lot of talk about the $100,000 levels, which I would like a lot. So let's see what happens there. Other than that, it's a shallow retracement showing a lot of bullishness in the trend. Bitcoin dominance keep going. So let's see what happens with the swings here now. Now we got a new high. Look there, 1.27 comes in right at the $100,000 levels. So that's definitely a big level to watch. And look at this last directional swing, the one after the break, 1.618. $110,000. So we get a reconfirmation of all the levels on this last Fibonacci, which is absolutely amazing. The more people, the more traders, the more self-fulfilling prophecy it becomes, the bigger the chance that the market will go there, and we will get chances to lighten up on our positions. Right, then we move on to Forex. I gave this one to you yesterday morning. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. The pound Swiss, I said if it tested the level, dark cloud cover, almost a bearish engulfing, very nice reversal there. You see pound red zone, Swiss, they're in the neutral zone, not worried about that. It was higher yesterday, but I'm after the pound shorts, and that's the way I got into the short there. Very nicely done. So stop loss on this trade is roughly 45 to 50. We need about $80 to $100. Now to this low, there's a T1. I will do a first target, lighten up half my position. As you can see there, let's say that's 50. That leaves you with 80, so it's a 1 to 1.5. And then I will draw in Fibonacci's on this last directional swing. You see this directional swing there and there. And then I'll use the 1.27, maybe a little bit earlier, just to pick up that low there for that target. That's for a second target. And if you've got enough positions, you can lighten up at 1.618. Let's see in the history what there is. Now I've gone too far. If you look at the history, you can see how I've picked up the levels. Right on the lows, there's the support, and 1.618 FIB. That all seems good there. So that's the three levels I'll set for targets. I will lighten up on all of them and trail the stop losses as we move along. This long upper shadow now, if we can get closer to these lows, I will use that as a stop loss. I will not pull my stop loss yet. I will give the market chance to breathe. Then the CAD Swiss already tested the level last night there. You can see there, or last night, yesterday evening, but not a reversal. I will still watch this one. You can see here, CAD very strong in the green zone. Swiss neutral, not after that, but after the CAD long. A retest here, structure coming in there, 50 to 61% level. That's the area I'm pretty interested in. So if it comes back there, I'll look for long setups, and then I will enter into a trade there. Then on the pound Australian dollar, I was waiting yesterday for the level. It got there. I never got a decent candle reversal. Unfortunately, not a good candle reversal, so I did not take this. But I got the pound Swiss. I got a pound short, and that's all I was after, to pick it up somewhere. This one here now, breaking there now, a retest there, will draw my attention yet again. But at this stage, it doesn't look like it's going to retrace there today. And then the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand definitely starting to lose a lot. If you see, look at the Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie was flying up against the New Zealand. I see big moves against the New Zealand today. So I'm looking at this. Any luck that it will go back up there to the 50-61% level. Right at structure there, I'm going to look for shorts. You can see New Zealand red zone, CAD green zone, so I want to be short here. And then I'll work on targets. If I get some nice candle reversal there, I'll then consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support the channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and never ever trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.